In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best fishing reels available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous reel user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the fishing reels mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, HISTAR JOHNCOO 99G BFS PCCF Baitcasting Reel. The HISTAR JOHNCOO 99G is ultralight and built for ocean, beach, and rock fishing. With 5-1 anti-saltwater stainless steel ball bearings, it offers durability and smooth operation. Its DS fish catch alarm system enhances your fishing alertness, while the carbon fiber body ensures effortless casting. The reel packs a solid 4 kg drag power to handle stronger fish. Compact and high-performing, it's a great pick for anglers wanting lightweight reliability at just $53.22, 56% off. Number 4, Soloking GKA 200 Pro Baitcasting Reel. Designed for both saltwater and freshwater, the Soloking GKA 200 Pro is light yet tough. It features a 9 kg max drag, giving you the strength to reel in big fish. With a 30-step adjustable magnetic brake system and 4th-gen drag clicker, precision and sound feedback are built in. Weighing only 196 g, it reduces fatigue during long sessions. At $28.11, 52% off, this reel is budget-friendly and ready for serious anglers. Number 3, Piscifun Alijoz 300 Baitcasting Reel. The Piscifun Alijoz 300 is built for high-power fishing in both fresh and saltwater. With a massive 15 kg max drag, it's ideal for big fish. It includes power handle and double handle options and is made to withstand harsh conditions with water resistance. The 8-magnet braking system ensures smooth control during casting. At $64.15, 59% off, it delivers heavy-duty performance at a great price. Number 2, JOHNCOO MT200 Baitcasting Reel. Versatile for all waters, the JOHNCOO MT200 is ideal for stream, lake, river, and ocean fishing. Its CNC machined aluminum spool and alloy body provide strength and low weight. Designed for big game, the 13 kg max drag handles powerful fish with ease. With corrosion resistance, it suits both saltwater and freshwater use. A premium reel priced at just $36.83, 64% off, perfect for serious fishing. Number 1, KastKing Black Valiant Eagle 2 Baitcasting Reel. Perfect for bass fishing in diverse environments, the KastKing Black Valiant Eagle 2 features a 7075 aluminum main gear for lightweight strength. ABS TPE handle knobs ensure comfort, while 7BB1 RB bearings provide smoothness. A high-strength graphite frame makes it both durable and efficient. This stylish and high-performance reel is currently just $56.61, 63% off, ideal for dedicated anglers.